What's up, guys? I just finished up the video on how much it costs to actually modify this car. Now in this video we're going to go over how I actually paid for that. Obviously I paid for it out of my own pocket first, but here on YouTube and some other things, that has definitely helped supplement my expense into this car. So let's get into that video and see if all the modifications are covered, or if I still have a little bit more work here to do on YouTube. Alright guys, so let's get underway here. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now, like I said, I did a video on how much this car is costing me to mod, whether that's performance mods or other types of aesthetic mods. So go ahead and check out that video if you haven't done so already, to see how much I've spent on it. Now here on YouTube, I don't make money just on the YouTube ad revenue. I also put links down in the descriptions on all the videos that I do for all the different modifications that I do, and all those links are affiliate links. So I do get paid whenever you go ahead and click on those links and either you purchase that particular item, or maybe you go to Amazon, for instance, and you buy some other things. So I do get affiliate revenue that way. Now, the one thing about the affiliate program, I didn't really understand or know that it would actually be beneficial to me. Like in the beginning, like I figured if you're gonna buy something, like what's a few cents, right? It's not really that big of a deal, but actually it all adds up, right? Every little bit matters, every little bit counts. So I didn't start my Amazon affiliate right away. I started this channel in 2017. I didn't start the affiliate program until about halfway through 2018. So in 2018 alone, I made $366 on Amazon. And like I said, that was only for half the year. So then going into 2019, I had a complete year with the Amazon affiliate program, and I made $670 through Amazon affiliate in 2019. Now continue on into 2020, I made $1,326 on the Amazon affiliate. Like I said, again, whenever you click on a link down in the description, that benefits me. And I really do thank everybody that does take my recommendations on what to purchase for your own car. You know, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Everything that I buy for this car, I buy with my own money. I don't reach out to different companies and ask for them to send me a free part in order for me to give them a good review on YouTube. I just don't do that. I purchase everything myself. Now, mostly I use Amazon for all my affiliate links, but there were a few things here and there that I purchased on eBay. So I did start the eBay affiliate program in 2020. I did that when I purchased the brake motive brakes, as well as the battery dent cover and the dash lettering kit here on the airbag. Those were all purchased on eBay. So for 2020, I made $175 on the eBay affiliate program. So now into the YouTube ad revenue and how much I get paid just for putting videos on YouTube, right? Now, I started at the tail end of 2017, and I didn't reach my monetization goals until the very beginning of 2019. So it took me pretty much a year to get monetized. To get monetized, I think you needed 1,000 subscribers, and I forget how many watch hours. I think it was like 4,000 watch hours or something like that. So I had the watch hours plenty in advance of that, but I was waiting on the 1,000 subscribers. But finally got monetized in 2019, and the ad revenue that I made in 2019 was $1,562. I don't have how many views that was in front of me, so I will put that at the bottom of the screen. Now, obviously, that's going to change drastically on the number of views you get, the length of your videos. There's a whole bunch of things that go into how much you make on YouTube ad revenue. I don't even know what all those calculations are, but that was how much I made in 2019, was $1,562. As we continued into 2020, again, I will put down at the bottom how many views I did have in 2020. But in 2020, I made $2,335 here on YouTube ad revenue alone. So now when you total up all those different ad revenue sources, I made $6,434 on YouTube, whether that was YouTube ad revenue or the affiliate programs like I mentioned. So did I make enough money through all those different programs to pay for the modifications for this car? The answer to that is yes, because if you did watch that video that I mentioned, I spent $5,917 just making this car my own, whether that was performance modifications or just other aesthetic modifications. So I made just over $500 so far on YouTube and with the affiliate programs. Now, of course, I thank everybody that has been watching the videos. Obviously, without you guys, I don't have that ad revenue, and without you guys clicking on the links to purchase the things that I put on my own car, obviously I wouldn't have that affiliate program revenue either. So I greatly appreciate everybody that has supported me and this channel over the last 3 years. You know, everything that I bought for the car I would have purchased anyway, but I guess when you look at things like the cam, maybe I wouldn't have done the cam as soon as I did, right? I mean, with YouTube and the other affiliate income coming my way, that certainly helped make that purchase a lot sooner than I would have otherwise. You know, because like many of you out there, I have a family and everything else to take care of, so kind of like the car kind of gets pushed on the back burner. You can talk to my wife and she'll tell you otherwise, but really it does. But doing YouTube and all that certainly helps make a lot of the modifications come a lot sooner than it would normally. All right, so with that, guys, I greatly appreciate everybody's support over 3 years. When I initially started this whole YouTube journey, I did not see this becoming what it has become. So, of course, thank you to everybody for your support. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, guys, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.